How much money am I making per hero per day questing heroes on DeFi Kingdoms? I am realizing more and more the reason why I'm doing this YouTube channel is because I'm a DeFi Kingdoms junkie. I can't help myself. I've got the lowdown. Day 3. Today, day 3, questing heroes. I'm giving you an average daily income per day. Questing heroes per hero per day. The way I'm doing this, the way this works, just to clarify. Okay. I'm selling all my, which I don't necessarily recommend doing, selling all your items. Generally speaking, right now Serendale is dying, so it's not the worst time to be selling your items. You want to be selling your milkweed, swift thistle, and spider fruit in the central marketplace with the trader. The rest you want to be selling with the vendor for gold. Then I sell my gold. I sell all that into Jewel. I sell the runes that I'm gaining per day into Jewel, minus the runes that I use to level up. So, and the Jewel that's used when I level up, and the gas fees, which are crazy right now. With Harmony 1, it's about 301 tokens that I'm burning through per day. So I'm taking average daily balance of the number of heroes I have on this wallet, questing them, selling everything into Jewel, except not count, and then I take the Jewel and I use the Jewel to buy one, so it subtracts off the amount of Jewel that I'm making, so it's a fair assessment. How much am I actually making? Which is not the best time in the world to be doing this, because once everything moves to Crystalville, we'll do this again. Once we can do everything on Crystalville, there's use case for all the items, the gold, and everything is there in Crystalville. I'll do this again. But it's still good to know this right now. I'm selling my eggs, my extra runes that I get above the runes that I use in summoning. So I'm selling all the runes I get every day, minus the runes that I use for leveling up, not some, and the Gaia tiers that I use for summoning. But on that, when I summon my Gen Zeros, which I'm doing another video right after this, I'm really excited to share some things with you. Okay, so basically I'm not putting any more money into this account. I'm just letting it make an ROI every day. So we can see how much money am I making per hero, per day, questing my heroes. And then out of that money that I'm making, questing my heroes, I'm using that money to pay for the gas fees. I'm using that money to pay for leveling up. It costs a little Jewel, costs runes, and Gaia tiers are used when summoning. Also, gosh dang, I was going to say something else. Oh, here's what's really important to know. The most important thing in this, though, the greatest value that I'm bringing isn't even being factored. Here's the greatest value. The greatest value is that I'm leveling up my heroes. I'm adding way more value to my heroes as I level them up over time. We looked the other day, a level 9 hero versus a level 10 hero on the floor. The floor price of those heroes is a drastic difference. The level 9 hero the other day we looked up was 100, floor was 145 Jewel. Then it went up fast from that. So if someone buys up that hero, then the floor all of a sudden becomes like even 190 Jewel. The floor for a level 10 hero was 600 Jewel. The floor for a level 8 hero was 105 Jewel. So going from level 8 to level 9, you're adding Jewel. Going from level 7 to level 8, you add a little bit of Jewel. So it's kind of a moving target a little bit, but that is the most valuable part of this game. I'm holding all the heroes. I'm holding all my heroes, all the heroes that I summon. Maybe down the road someday I'll sell when I can at least like 5x the value of the heroes. So I think that's coming. Big shout out to the Brown Gent today. I connected with him. He wanted to do an interview with me. He actually wanted to do an interview with me a month ago, before I even started doing videos again. And I was just in such a funk. It was good that we waited. Man, we just hit it off. I was surprised how much we actually hit it off. He's a good dude. He is so much more of a good dude than I've always liked him. He's been like a foundational piece for me in this game. So when I first started getting into DeFi Kingdoms, he helped me with his videos. He was just awesome. So I sort of have that connection with him, but man, he's real. And he's really, really highly intelligent, really smart, really shrewd. You can learn a lot from him. He's careful, he's cautious, and he's shrewd. Okay, so big shout out to him. I can't wait for this interview to come out. It was a blast. We chatted for like an hour, and then we did the interview for like an hour. It was so fun. Anyways, okay, so here's the lowdown. Today was better. I actually got 4 eggs today. Yesterday I got 0 eggs. Day before I got 2 eggs. Today I also leveled 15 heroes today. So that hits on runes. It hits, like yesterday I only leveled I think 6 heroes, but several of them were like level 9 and level 8, like higher leveled heroes. Okay, so but I still got a net 46 runes today. Okay, and my net average hero, daily average hero today on the 3rd day is up to 376. So it's gone from 369 to 360 to 371 yesterday. Today 376. Tomorrow's going to be way more. Just moved over a bunch of heroes because I want to level them up here. They're about time, several, and I just decided, you know what? I'm moving heroes over to level them up. That's hurting my ROI because I'm not getting the ROI from their questing that day. So I decided to move over a bunch more of my fishers. Okay, so I got 4 eggs, 46 runes, 800 net-ish tiers. Okay, so now, and another little thing I did, which is a no-brainer. This makes it simple. See, I've got 3 jewel right there. That's what I started with. So now, if you look right here, I've got 427 jewel accumulated over 3 days. Okay, so what that means is today my net gain compared to yesterday was 159 jewel. So the first day my net gain was 186 jewel. Yesterday was only 82 jewel net gain. Today, 159 jewel. So my daily average jewel being earned per hero per day and through 3 days is 0.38 jewel. So after day 1, it was 0.5 jewel. After day 2, it was 0.36 jewel. Now it's 0.38 jewel. After 3 days, like, subscribe, bell button. I'm going to do another video right now on how to decide how to summon, when to summon, how to buy Gen 0 heroes that you can summon together to potentially get an advanced class. Coming up right now. Crypto Grady out. Like, subscribe, bell button. I love you guys.